Hey friends, if the camera drivers are missing from the device manager, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. Now, I have the camera drivers on my device manager, but there are a lot of users who complain that they don't have it. So in this case, click on view and select show hidden devices first of all. And if that doesn't help, then you can simply restart your computer. Now I'll tell you what restarting your computer will do. Restarting your computer will scan for hardware changes. Like if I right click on the camera driver, or for that matter any driver, and click on scan hardware changes, it will check for the newer versions of the drivers. But if it doesn't exist at the first place, then restarting the computer will do the same job. Now this is one solution. The second one is that you can always update the drivers from the settings app itself. So right click on the start button and select settings on the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options. Now click on optional updates and expand this. If any other driver updates are available, click on download and install to install them. Then return to the Windows Update page, and if it says check for updates here, then click on that one as well. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Hit enter and this will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting for problems. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator, and this will open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. Now, why a clean boot? Because at times what happens is that if you are using a camera app, an external third-party camera app, that can interfere with the natural drivers of your system, thus bypassing them. And in that case, you would need to make sure that that app is not interfering. So here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select a go to restore point if you have already created it. Click on next and finally click on finish to restore it to an earlier point when it was working. And by this solution, your problem should surely be fixed. But even if it doesn't fix it, even if a system restore doesn't fix it, then the last solution will be a cloud reset, and this will surely work. But before that, please back up your apps. Search for backup, open the Windows backup app and back up all your files. After this, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, click on remove everything and click on cloud download. And when you click on cloud download, I won't, otherwise the reinstall process will start. It will start with the reinstall process, and after that it will pick the Windows file from the internet itself, thus fixing your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.